Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of office and school supplies with a focus on one of the best trifold boards available. Introducing the MAKELLO whiteboard with stand. This versatile and portable dry erase easel is making waves for its exceptional quality and functionality. Let's delve into why it's earning rave reviews from professionals and educators alike. First off, let's talk about the writing and magnetic surface. Crafted from magnetic lacquered steel and MDF cardboard, this board offers a smooth and durable writing surface that's easy to write on and wipe off. Plus, the addition of magnetic capabilities adds another layer of functionality, perfect for attaching important documents or notes. Now, let's discuss the user-friendly design. Equipped with paper hooks and a convenient pen tray, you can easily hang presentation materials and keep your markers within reach. Its lightweight aluminum frame and foldable design make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, whether you're in the office, classroom, or even a cafe. One standout feature of this board is its adjustable height. With a tripod made from square-shaped tubes and non-slip rubber feet, you can customize the height to suit your needs, ranging from 36 inches to an impressive 63 inches. Talk about versatility. So, where does this board shine? Well, it's a game changer for managers, teachers, students, and even kids. Whether you're giving a presentation, conducting a class, or coaching a sports team, this board has you covered. It's truly a jack of all trades for any setting. Now, let's talk dimensions. With a generous board size of 36 by 24 inches, you have ample space to get creative or jot down important information. It strikes the perfect balance between functionality and portability. In conclusion, the MAKELLO whiteboard with stand is a must-have for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile trifold board. Its top-notch quality, user-friendly design, and adjustable features make it a standout choice in its category. That wraps up our review of the MAKELLO whiteboard with stand. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy whiteboarding!